All my life, been grinding all my life. Sacrifice, hustle paid the price. Want a slice, got to roll the dice. That's why all my life I've been grinding.
Greetings, middleman here. How you doing, world? Here to drop another tip on how to build your credit. All right, so we got to the rental report boost. We went there and we got the 2 years in the history. Bet you that worked pretty good for you. Pretty sure. Well, by the time I drop this video, because we're going back to back, it probably hasn't hit yet. But while you're working on that, let's do this right here. So if you're already going through GT Approve, this is the next step. You already know. So while we're doing this, we're going to save some money while building the credit. This is how we're going to do it. Self. It's called Self Inc. If you don't have it, or if you're looking for it and you see this YouTube video, you can go down in the description, go to my website, gtapproved.com, click on recommended cards to build credit, and it's going to be the second link. Click on that and you're going to get this website right here. No, don't have no referral or anything like that. I'm just offering this with my services to help you build your credit, and this is why. With this card right here, you're gonna, first thing, apply for the credit building account. Okay, boom. Pay off your credit building account in a specific amount of time, and I have it as well. So what I did was $35, 3 months, and now I'm just paying on it. And basically each, the third one, each one-time monthly payment, build credit history and add to your savings. So you're gonna save up for the whole year, then unlock your savings. At the end of the year, I think it's like $1,000 and something, something of that nature. I did it a long time ago and I added it up. It's gonna be like $1,000 something. Basically, you're saving money while getting a credit trade line on your score. So this is pretty good right here, you know, and I do recommend this. This is like if you're just starting off or you need to build credit, go through this. Do your reviews, you know, do your due diligence. I'm just here being a middleman, sharing information, how I'm getting gains, you know, how we staying in the 700 club, if that's what you're interested to do for funding, to get you a vehicle, you know, to get your mortgage, to shift your life and change your situation. You know, these are tools and these are things I'm trying to help provide you with to get you going, you know what I mean? And like, I just really want to, so a lot of people ask me questions, what I do next and what I do next. So I'm putting video and myself out there to make sure y'all see what's going on. Instead of while we over the phone, I'm just telling you what's going on. So that's the nature of why I'm doing this right here. Then you can go right to my YouTube channel. For y'all that's in GT Approved, go to the YouTube channel, of course, and watch these videos. And if you're not with GT Approved, my company is gtapproved.com, and you're looking to fix your credit right now, I'm offering free credit repair. So definitely go to the website, gtapproved.com, in the description, and schedule a consultation, you know, and we'll get everything in the situation to get your first disputes out and get you going. You know, it's Middleman Mentor, and that's about it for this video. And I appreciate y'all. We out.